Hey guys, in today's video, I will be listing for you 10 different websites offering courses which are free or charging a nominal fee. Tata Steel is offering online certificate courses to all industrial professionals via capabilitydevelopment.org. Majority of these courses are in the field of mechanical, electronics and electrical engineering. In addition to these, they have courses in advanced Excel, Microsoft Office and total quality management. Enrollment to these courses require a nominal fee. TCS Ion Digital Learning is offering free and paid courses which can boost your resume and much more, with 129 courses for free. Digital Unlock is a Google-based learning site offering new skills for a digital world. It even offers a certificate in digital marketing which will improve your CV and grow your career. With 126 courses are available. Microsoft Virtual Academy offers certifications in various IT-related fields with over 1,244 courses. NPTEL is an IT startup where anyone can enroll for various courses which are free to learn. In order to earn a certificate, a sum of 1,000 rupees per course is charged and an offline exam has to be cleared. You can get more information with regards to the courses available and the exam dates. eLearning College offers free online short courses in various management fields. Alison offers various certifications and diplomas which are paid and free to learn. Skillshare is offering a free 2-month trial with a promo code Google2Free. Skillshare has various workshops in creative and building oneself. Udemy covers a broad range of courses with discounts at the moment, ranging from $360 and onwards. Last but not least, Bitdegree. Bitdegree offers free certificates which are verifiable. They have various courses like management, IT, marketing and leadership skills, which are free as well as paid. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.